If travel memories are getting lost in camera rolls, Polarsteps wants to fix that. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. This free iOS and Android app turns journeys into clean, visual, shareable stories, and it does it far better than Google Maps or Apple Maps ever have. Polarsteps is built specifically for travel logging, and it shows. Trips are broken into simple steps with photos, notes, locations, and timestamps, creating a flowing travel journal rather than a dry data dump. Users can log trips manually, add journeys from years ago, or let the app track routes automatically in real time while traveling. There's a social layer too, but it's refreshingly restrained. Instead of an endless algorithmic feed, Polarsteps lets users follow specific travelers and see only the updates they care about. Trips can be kept private, shared with friends, or published publicly. The app is completely free to use with no subscriptions or hidden fees. Polarsteps makes money by offering beautifully printed travel books based on logged journeys that alone makes it stand out in today's apps. It also has Globe View, which highlights cities and regions with curated guides written by Polarsteps' editorial team, featuring attractions, restaurants, and places to stay. Then there's Unpacked, Polarsteps' annual review. It's like Spotify Wrapped, but for travel with total distance covered, furthest point from home, and most unique destinations visited. Polarsteps wants to remember where you've been and why it mattered. Are you downloading it right now? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.